Welcome back, viewers. In the earlier video, we had installed the Arch Pro Audio on our system, and in this video, we are just going to check out which different applications were installed using the Arch Pro Audio. So I had installed the Arch Pro Audio on my Endeavour system, and this is my Endeavour system. It is updated with the latest Endeavour Galileo release. You can see it here. It is the latest Galileo release with the this photo of Galileo, this probe that was sent over to Jupiter. And now let us go over to the application section and check out the different applications. So here you can see the different decoders are there. So this is the different decoders and plugins that were installed, the different MIDIs. So this is the ALDL MIDI for jack, the ADL plugin is there, Azure Dejo continue is there. Further, you can see these are the different encoders, decoders, converters. You can see it here. Some mirrors, rotators are there. Then this is the connector AMS. So it helps you to connect the different audio equipment, the different interfaces. The synthesizer is there. Adder is a digital audio workstation. Audacity is there. This is the bespoke synthesizer. This is the binaural decoder. Carl plugin I have shown you in earlier videos. Cardinal is there. Carla is there. Carla control is there. Coordinate converter. C sound QTUS checked out. Dext is there. DG edit is there. DIN is noise. Directional compressor. Directivity shaper. So these are the different plugins. Distance compensator. Dragonfly early. Dragonfly hall reverberation, Dragonfly plate reverberation, Dragonfly room reverberation, drum kits, drumstick ALSA and MIDI player, drumstick grid is there, drumstick MIDI monitor, drumstick video, virtual piano, dual delay, EBU meter is there, energy visualizer, FDN reverb element, Guitarix is there, granular encoder, GNU solfege, G-edit is there, Geon kick, freewheeling, fox dot, fluid is there. So fluid is also synthesizer. Then helm is there, hydrogen drum kits, jack meter, jack trip, JLV, Japa, J sampler. So these are the sound samplers. J sampler, Fantasia, Laborejo. LLMS is also digital audio workstation. It is Linux workstation for digital audio recording. Loop is there, matrix multiplier, Melite is there, mix, multiband compressor, multi-encoders, multi-equalizers, MuseCore, new session manager, ninjas, non-mixer, non-sequencers, and non-timeline. So these are different sequencers and mixers. OBXD, Omni compressor, Odin 2, OPL synthesizer, OPN plug, Pad THV1, patch matrix, Patronio, Polyphone, Pure Data PD, then probe decoder, QS config, QS H control, QS mixer, Q jack control, Q MIDI ARP, Q MIDI control, Q MIDI net, Q MIDI root, QPW graph, Q sampler, Q synthesizer, Q tractor. Then I think we forgot one, that is, yes, we have, Q jack control also we have covered. Then Reaper is there, QX, G edit is there, room encoder, scene rotator, sampler 1, Rose Garden, set, Be Free, simple decoder, SND Ruby, SND S7, Sonic Pi, Sonic Visualizer, Spectromorph, Jack, Client, SSR AP, SSR Generic, SSR DCA, SSR BRS, SSR Binaural, SSR WFS, Stereo encoder, Stochas is there. Super Collider, Surge XT effects, synthesizer, Trembo, Toolbox, Vico, VMPK, Whole Spectrum, and these are all the plugins. You can see different plugins are there: X42 DARC, X42 DPL, X42 FAT1, X42 FFill4, X42 Matrix Mixer, X42 meter octave spectrum analyzer, the BBC M6, X4 meter BBC M6, X4 meter BBC stereo, X4 meter bit meter, X4 meter din meter, X42 meter DR14 crest factor loudness range meter. So these are all different meters. X42 meter EBU, X42 meter R128 meter, X42 meter goniometer, X42 meter K12 RMS meter, that is stereo meter. This is the X42 meter RMS meter stereo, X42 K20 RMS meter stereo, K42 meter Nordic meter stereo, K42 meter phase frequency wheel, K42 signal distribution histogram, then X42 stereo phase correlation meter, X42 meter stereo frequency scope, X42 meter surround level 8. This is the true peak and RMS meter. Then this is the VU meter stereo. This is the mixtrix. The phase rotate is there, scope is there, spectre is there, step sequencer is there, Tuna instrument tuner, spectrum, X42 wheel, YAS, Zeta 1, Zeta 81, Zeta BLS 1, Zeta DC 1, Zeta DPC 1, Yoshimi is there, the Zeta Mu 1, Zeta Rev 1, Zine add sub effects, ALSA Zine add sub effects, Jack Zine add sub effects, Zine add sub effects, OSS. So all these different decoders, multipliers, spectrums, your sequencers, your different keys are there. Everything all is there for your digital audio workstation requirements. Reader is there. Everything, it is full packed with features, with different encoders, plugins. Everything you can visualize. If you every requirement of yours can be fulfilled in this Arch Pro Audio digital workstation. So you can install this. Installation is there in the earlier video. I just show you the different applications, plugins that are there, decoders, encoders. So because I don't want to repeat the same things again and again, so I just spoke out the names and did this quick video. So you can check out the earlier videos where we have checked out all these applications, decoder, encoders in some detail. So I will now stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.